Welcome back to Dynamic Cars, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today we're taking an up-close look at the 2025 Ford Everest, a vehicle that has certainly caught the eye of many SUV enthusiasts. Let's explore what makes this new model stand out, starting with its exterior design. The 2025 Ford Everest has undergone some impressive design enhancements that set it apart from its predecessors. The front end commands attention with a bold, redesigned grille that stretches wide, giving the SUV a more assertive stance on the road. The LED headlights are sharper and more aggressive, featuring a new signature lighting pattern that adds a touch of sophistication. The muscular hood lines flow seamlessly into the fenders, emphasizing the Everest's rugged capabilities while maintaining a sleek, modern aesthetic. Moving along the sides, you'll notice the prominent wheel arches housing larger, more aggressive alloy wheels, which not only enhance the vehicle's presence, but also contribute to improved off-road performance. The sculpted bodywork is both aerodynamic and robust, with sharp character lines that accentuate the Everest's athletic build. The roof rails and side steps are practical additions that blend functionality with style, perfect for those who enjoy both city driving and weekend adventures. At the rear, the Everest continues its bold theme with a redesigned tailgate featuring a full-width LED light bar, which adds a contemporary flair and improves visibility. The bumper is beefier, with integrated exhaust outlets that give the SUV a more refined look, while the rear spoiler aids in aerodynamics. Under the hood, the 2025 Everest offers a range of powertrains, catering to different driving preferences. The standard 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine delivers solid performance with a good balance of power and efficiency, making it ideal for daily driving. However, for those seeking more muscle, the available 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel provides impressive torque, ensuring the Everest handles tough terrains and heavy loads with ease. The 10-speed automatic transmission is smooth and responsive, seamlessly adapting to different driving conditions, whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling off-road trails. The Everest's off-road capabilities have also been enhanced with advanced features like the terrain management system, which allows drivers to switch between different modes for optimal performance on sand, mud, or snow. The vehicle's ground clearance and approach angles are among the best in its class, making it a formidable competitor in the SUV segment. Inside, the 2025 Ford Everest offers a refined cabin with a blend of comfort and technology. The dashboard is dominated by a large, high-resolution touchscreen that integrates Ford's latest Sync 4 infotainment system. The seats are upholstered in premium materials, providing excellent support for long journeys. Although this is just a brief overview, the interior reflects the Everest's balance of rugged utility and modern luxury, ensuring that it's as capable on the inside as it is on the outside. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and make sure to subscribe to Dynamic Cars for the latest updates on the automotive world.